Hey everyone, welcome back to TechNeo. Today we will show you how to hide your reposts on TikTok. It's super quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app and find a random video. Tap on the profile of the user who reposted content. You'll see the repost icon, which looks like two lines in a circle with arrows. These are the reposted videos. To hide them, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then follow the option Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy, the only option available. Here, you will see multiple options, but unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have an option to hide reposts individually. So for that, you can enable a private account. With a private account, people who don't follow you won't be able to see your reposts, stories, or videos unless they request to follow you and you approve it. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.